Hey everyone, welcome back. One of the most valuable things you can do as a tax preparer is teach your clients how to keep good records throughout the year. It makes their life easier, it makes your job easier, and it protects both of you and the IRS comes knocking. Here's what to tell your clients. First, keep everything digital. A shoebox full of receipts is a nightmare for everyone. Tell your clients to take a photo of every receipt as soon as they get it and store it in a dedicated folder on their phone or in a cloud storage service like Google Drive or Dropbox. There are free apps specifically for receipt tracking. The paper receipts fade and get lost. The digital copy doesn't. Second, separate business and personal expenses completely. If your client is self-employed, they should have a separate bank account and credit card for business. Every business expense goes through the business account. Every personal expense goes through the personal account. This single habit eliminates 90% of the record-keeping headaches I see in audits. Third, track mileage in real time. If your client drives for business, they need a mileage log, not a guess at the end of the year. A log kept as they drive. There are free apps that track mileage automatically using GPS. Tell them to pick one and use it. The IRS is more likely to challenge mileage deductions than almost any other deduction. And I drove a lot is not sufficient documentation. Fourth, save every 1099, W-2, and tax-related document as soon as it arrives. Tell clients to create a folder, physical or digital, labeled with the tax year. Every time a tax document shows up in the mail or an email, it goes in the folder. When they come to you in February, they hand you the folder. Everything's there. Fifth, keep records for at least 3 years. The IRS generally has 3 years from the filing date to audit a return. For situations involving significant understatement of income, it's 6 years. For fraud, there's no limit. 3 years is the minimum your clients should retain their records and supporting documents. I recommend 7 years to be safe. When you teach your clients these habits, you're doing more than just making your job easier at tax time. You're providing year-round value, and that's what turns a one-time client into a client for life. More on building a client-focused practice can be found at MuseSpring.com. And as a quick reminder, everything on this channel is educational and provided through MuseSpring for informational purposes only. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll see you in the next one.